Yeah, hello internet. At the moment I'm cleaning the tracks of my wheel of my dozer, and so you saw this dozer in one of my or several of my last videos, and now it's time to give it a little bit maintenance. And so the task for today is just cleaning this tracks here. You can see that the soil, so the earth we moved in the last videos is very fine. It's a very fine grading soil, and so it really sticks, glues inside the tracks. Even also this dozer has tracks from an excavator. Maybe I change it next time. Sometimes with 3 bars on each element here. And so this is quite a boring task, a boring work to do, but you know, it has to be done so that the dozer can work properly and use its full power and full traction to push the earth. But maybe this is a good chance to bring the dozer a little bit closer to you. This is a do-it-your-own build of a CAT D6. Yes, I know the hood is a little bit long. Maybe a CAT D6 has a hood which goes up to here, but this is a commitment to the hydraulic pump, because the whole model is made of steel. This is plastic, this is plastic, this is solid steel, solid steel, solid steel, steel. So the total weight is about 11 kilogram plus the accu, this is inside here, and the hydraulics, and 2 very strong Faulhaber motors for the drive shaft here. We have on the rear side we have 3 tooths to move it a little bit for you so that you can see it a little bit better. Can you see it? Yeah. Wait. Yeah, this is a very cheap stative I'm using here at the moment. I will get better with this. So, and you can see right here, this is even also made of steel. Here we have a Leimbach hydraulic, maybe you know it. Here's the battery underneath. We have the pump with a reservoir, but maybe I can show it a little bit to you, the functions. Now it's working. Let's give it some light, and let's, okay, it's the full way up, but now we can bring it down to the ground. So here we can bring it to the ground, and then we lift it up. The hydraulic is strong enough to hold it like that, and then to move the tracks. I'm controlling the model by a servonaut. I need about 6 channels, 1 extra for the light. One next task would be to have a diesel CAT engine inside. So a sound module, we have enough place. Maybe I can lift the hood for you a little bit. This is quite stiff. It sits quite stiff, but we have to be careful because it's plastic. And everything is made do it your own. It's a wonderful model, and with this 11 kilograms it pushes the soil so hard. I have another dozer. This is a Fumotech dozer, a D65WX18. This would be one more video, but here you can see the technique of this one. So here we have the accu. Here underneath, this is connected to the housing here with the hood. Here you see the reservoir of the pump, and we have here behind there the maybe you can see it a little bit when I take the receiver away. Here there is a pump. Can you see it? It's a Leimbach pump with 1, 2, 3, 4 cylinders. 1, 2, 3, so 2 for the tilting, 2 big cylinders for the leveling, and one big cylinder here for the leveling of the rear tooth. I name it rear tooth. Maybe you give it another name, a more technical name in English. I don't remember, I honestly have to say. And I love this model, and I hope that you can see it in several other videos, because this is such a good functional model. Ah, yeah. And to how can I say, to tension the tracks, we have here a hole, and here a hole, and here we have a spring, a very strong spring, so that you can, if you want to change the tracks, you just knit it together, bring it together with a you know, with a tool, and then you can change the tracks. Would be maybe easy now for me to clean it, but I love to clean it on this way, how the real guys would do it. Yeah, guys, that's all. I turn it around a little bit for you. Let's be careful with the hood. This is plastic, the rest is made of steel, and it's a wonderful model, and I love the color. I don't know, guys, what you say, but I love the cat yellow, the special cat yellow, this color, and together with the black. I don't know why, but it's really triggering me, because I love it, and I want to have Caterpillar vehicles in my how can I say, Fuhrpark, we say in German, in my armada of of construction engine machines. Yeah, that's all. Now you have a better, what I can see is you have here a much better look. Can we get a little bit closer? Yeah, you have a much better look for the Leimbach engine. Here's the motor, the pump, and the reservoir. Here maybe I should install a filter. So when we have a, because of the pumping, you have of course a leveling or changing of the level of the oil, and so then we have to suck air inside, and because in the air we have a lot of dust, and the dust will be sucked inside and contaminate the oil, and the oil gets dirty then, even also from the dust here of this dirt. And so I will place a filter on top. This is easy to do, and then I think we are safe. Yeah, that's all. You can see it's a wonderful machine. I love it. Not absolutely accurate compared to the real D6 cat. Maybe this is short like that, but it looks so massive, and it looks so technical, so form follows function, and yeah, I love it. So guys, let's see what was in the tracks. So this is this one. Can you see it? I hope you can see it. Oh boy, that's a lot. That's a lot. Not bad. So now let's see how the model maybe on the table behaves. So we switch it on. This is something what I already showed you. So we have the rear, and the front, chains. Yeah, then I have to use my Dyson again, of course, but I will do this later. Yeah, and you can hear how heavy this model is. Okay, lights on. Fantastic. Have fun. Thank you very much.